Welcome. In today's video, I want to answer the question that many people have asked on whether writing what you like can make you money on Amazon KDP. Whether writing and publishing what you like will make you money on Amazon KDP. By the end of this video, you will then be able to discover whether really writing what you like can make you money. But let's start with this. What is that thing that you like? For example, I am in Nigeria. Okay. So what I like maybe cooking, local dishes. I like a salad soup in Igbo land and a goosey soup. But the question is, in Amazon, if I should publish this as a book, we Americans like that. Is this something they want to read? What is the number of people that like this kind of topic? Will people from England like it? People from Spain, Germany, and the rest countries in Europe, will they like this title? Is it of interest to them? That's the first question you should ask yourself. That thing you like, does people from this part of the world that you are writing for like it? Do they like it? Then, if they like it, then it's something you can write and make money from. But if they don't like it, then you need to change. So you need to start thinking like a businessman. And that's why this video is understanding the business part of Amazon KDP. No businessman goes to the market and buys what the customers do not want to buy. His target is on what the customers want to buy that will make him more money in return, that will give him more profits. I can go to Amazon and start writing on how to prepare a goosey soup when I know that people that may like to buy that kind of stuff are just few, maybe immigrants from here to that side, maybe one or two. It may not even sell for the next 5 months. That's how serious it is. But when you understand that this is what people want to read, this is what people that visit Amazon want to read about, the large number of them, then you know that. Then your interest, that thing you like doing, that thing you feel comfortable with, may not be what you need to write about. Instead of doing such, there are some other ways you can narrow your points and then turn it to what people want to write and then turn it to what people want to read. For example, instead of me writing on how to make insala soup as an Igbo guy in Nigeria, I can think about how to make some dishes, cookbooks that Americans want to read, that Britain want to read. I get in it. So you make extra research on some cookbooks you can do what? Write about. When you do that and then publish it, then the Americans find that interesting. They end up buying that book and you make money in return. All right? Another kind of answer to this question is yes. Writing what you like can still make you money. I get in it. Take for example, you are somebody that likes technology and you like to make some researches about technology and you like learning some new applications and how to use them. In a situation like that, if you make your research on Amazon and discover that this kind of application that I'm used, that I interact with as a tech person, as a lover of tech, makes money, people read about that, people search about that, and write about that, it can make you money. So it all depends on the interest of the potential buyers. All right, they're the one that determine how much you make. So I have a video here on keyword research. So go and watch that video. I'll have it in the description. Watch about it and know how to discover some keywords that sell in Amazon. Okay, so if that thing you like is in that category and you write about that, you're likely to make money. Okay, now what should you do When you discover that what you like will not make you money, what's the next step to take? The first step you need to take now is to change. Yes, I changed before I started making money on Amazon KDP. I once liked youth empowerment and politics. But when I discovered that these are not the kind of things good number of customers want to read, I changed to technology, specifically software use. Okay? So if you're that type of person that likes insurance, and on watching my video on free keywords research, you discover that this is not what Americans like. This is not what people from England like. This is not what Canadians want to read. Then it's time to do what? Think about finance, the pure finance, how to make money, maybe in business, or how to make money online. Yeah, insurance is related to finance, actually, is related to how to make money per se. So they are all under the same umbrella. The only thing is that you need to change a little. Okay, then you start making research. You start reading books, reading articles. You don't even need to buy books and watching some videos that will build your confidence and your experience and your skill in that. As a person, you have so many abilities that you studied a particular course in university for a period of some time, maybe for a period of 5 years, doesn't mean you should sleep there. Initially, some of us wanted to study a particular course. At the end, we found ourselves in a particular course for 5 years in university, or 4 years, depending on your location and the duration of that particular course of study. Okay, so please, you need to do what? Change in some situations for you to be able to do what? To make money on the platform. Don't sleep there. Okay, stop wasting time. Learn it, apply it, and make money, more money. Instead of writing a book on my local dish, I can learn how to make some foreign dishes that Americans like, and then I'll make my money from there. Okay, so as a businessman, after you discover that this particular product sells, there is another step you need to take, and that is how to position your product, how to present it to people for it to sell. The same thing applies on Amazon KDP. As I discovered the keyword that sells, and you have changed and you have learned some things about it, about a particular area of interest, and you are done writing or you have started writing, when you're done writing, how do you present it? That's another bold step you need to take. Cover, very important. I keep telling people if you have the best content and your cover is not okay, that content will not sell to its maximum level. Yes. So find a cover designer, let him create some beautiful designs for you, covers for you in your locality. Find a one or two, okay? Rely on them. Let them give you something good that will make you to present your product, which is your book here, to the audience, and then make sell and then make your money. Number two is description. Look at the description of some books in that your category, okay, in this your new interest, and then look for books that are selling well there. Look at how they do their description and also present your description that same way. With that, you make money. It's time to compete with them and make part of that money that they have been collecting and enjoying alone. All right, it's very important. Then number three is your back end keywords. Fill them very well. Don't leave them empty. Look for related keywords that align with what you have in that book and then have it at the back end section. All right. So once you add them there, then you know that you are good to go. Your book will sell. If you have social media handle, you can share your book when you publish them. If you're a YouTube content creator, you can share your book in the community. Let your community members go and buy it. That is marketing. All right. So with these few points of mine, I believe that I've answered the question on Without writing what you like doing, what you're comfortable with, what your passion will make you money on Amazon KDP or not. So you decide on what to do next to make more money on the platform and think like a business person. Very, very important. If you like content like this, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we discuss technology which cuts across so many areas, including self-publishing. So do subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this video. If you have question, just feel free to drop in the comment section. I will answer you. Hit the like button that points up like this, okay? That one that points up very important so that YouTube will share this video to more people. Okay, that's how they discover that this video is a valuable one. A particular video is doing well, it's valuable, right? So please hit the like button to learn on how to do keyword research and position your book for better sales and write something that sells. Consider watching this video here, okay? It's free of charge. Thank you and see you some other time.